Hello, this is H.D. Ingles, and this is another video, the Constitution Crash Course. This one is the Bill of Rights. By the way, we're starting into the amendments to the Constitution. Bill of Rights was written in response to calls from several states for greater constitutional protection for individual liberties. These concepts were greatly desired by Thomas Jefferson and James Madison. Both men strongly believed that individual liberty was the foundation of the United States. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution are the Bill of Rights, which was ratified by the states on December 15, 1791. The entire Bill of Rights was written by James Madison, and the complete wording is only 652 words. Okay. Amendment 1, freedom of religion, speech, and the press, the right to peaceably assemble, the right to petition the government for grievances. Amendment 2, the right to keep and bear arms. Amendment 3, the government cannot force homeowners to allow soldiers to be quartered in their homes. Amendment 4 bars the government from unreasonable search and seizure of an individual or their private property. Amendment 5 provides several protections for people accused of crimes. This includes not being subjected to double jeopardy and not being forced to testify against himself. Amendment 6 provides additional protections for people accused of crimes. This includes a speedy trial, an impartial jury, a witness must face the accused, and the right for the accused to have a lawyer. Amendment 7 extends the right to a trial by jury in federal civil cases. Amendment 8 bars excessive bails and fines and cruel and unusual punishment. Amendment 9 declares that listing specific rights in the Constitution does not mean that people do not have other rights that have not been explicitly indicated. Amendment 10. The federal government has only those powers delegated to it in the Constitution. If a power is not contrary to the Constitution, it belongs to the states or to the people. It's commonly known as states' rights. Well, that is our Bill of Rights, something nobody else in the world has. Think about that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.